Abdul Rehman from Computer Vision Technology. Today my video related on Xbox consoles. This is a console without controllers. This product of Microsoft corporations. This Xbox port number 1, port number 2, port 3, port 4. This is a Microsoft corporations product. They are totally the back side of the console. The power supply port and Ethernet for using internet, and the audio and video output input is port. The backside this product, the cautions and Xbox video game systems, Microsoft Corporation USA products. The here the backside and here the front side of Xbox consoles. The power button and the LCD button, the slots of CD and DVD. If you like my video, share with friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Available these consoles. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.